Query successful. Try again without apps. This sounds like a fun project. I'll write a 300-word YouTube video script answering the question about TD Bank's presence across the United States. Since the core question is factual, I need to verify TD Bank's operational footprint before writing the script. I will use Google search to find this information. Is TD Bank in all 50 states? Let's talk about one of the biggest names in banking on the East Coast, TD Bank. It's often called America's most convenient bank, and with a network that stretches for thousands of miles, you might assume it's everywhere. When people ask if TD Bank operates in all 50 states, the answer is a straightforward no. TD Bank's physical branch footprint is concentrated in a specific region of the United States. Think of it as a deep-rooted network focused primarily on the East Coast. You'll find their distinctive green signs and convenient hours from the northern tip of Maine all the way down to the sunny beaches of Florida. This contiguous area also includes the Mid-Atlantic, covering major states like New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, and the Carolinas. They are firmly established in about 16 states and the District of Columbia. So, why not all 50? TD Bank, a subsidiary of the Canadian Toronto-Dominion Bank, has historically grown through strategic mergers and acquisitions in this specific corridor. Their business model emphasizes a strong physical presence in a concentrated, high-density area. While they offer services nationally through their auto finance division, the familiar store branch model is strictly an East Coast phenomenon. This focus allows them to build significant density and market share in their key regions, prioritizing depth over nationwide breadth. But here's the key takeaway for everyone else. While the physical branches stop at the eastern edge, TD Bank does offer certain services online and nationwide. Services like TD Ameritrade, now Schwab, extend their reach. However, if you're looking for an actual TD Bank branch, you'll need to be on the East Coast. If you're out west or in the Midwest, you'll be banking elsewhere.